Slack for beginners. Let's get started. First things first, what the heck is Slack? Well, Slack is this super cool, cloud-based collaboration tool that helps teams stay connected, organized, and productive. It lets you create channels for different topics, chat privately in direct messages, DMs, and even integrate all sorts of third-party apps, like Google Drive or Zoom, to make your workflow a breeze. It's like a virtual office space, minus the awkward small talk by the coffee machine. Head over to the Slack website and sign up with your email. Once you're in, you'll be asked to create your workspace. Just follow the prompts to set everything up. It's super simple. Now that your workspace is ready, it's time to bring your team on board. All you need to do is enter their email addresses, and they'll get an invite to join. Easy peasy. Channels are basically where all the magic happens. They're like different rooms where you can chat about specific topics, projects, or teams. You can create public channels, open to everyone, or private ones, for a select group. I suggest organizing your channels by project or topic so things don't get chaotic. For more private chats, DMs are your friend. Just click on someone's name in the sidebar, and boom, you can send them a message. Simple. One of Slack's most underrated features is its search bar. Need to find a specific message or file? Just type in a keyword, and Slack will dig it up for you. It's super fast and saves a ton of time. Slack integrates with over 2,400 apps, like Google Drive, Trello, and Zoom. This means you don't have to switch between a bunch of different tools. You can manage your tasks and collaborate all in one place. Need to chat in real time? Slack lets you start a quick audio call or video conference directly in any channel or DM. It's perfect for those spontaneous meetings. Emoji reactions are a fun way to quickly acknowledge messages without typing out a response. Plus, you can use emojis to create polls, or even install polling apps like Polly for more complex votes. Got something important to remember? Set a reminder in Slack. You can also customize your notification preferences so you only get alerted about what matters most. No more distractions. Want to save some time? Slack's Workflow Builder lets you automate repetitive tasks, like sending reminders or gathering info from your team. It's like having a personal assistant right inside Slack. Make sure to create separate channels for specific projects or topics. This will help keep everything organized and easy to find. Don't clutter up your channels with side conversations. Use threads to respond to messages. This keeps everything neat and makes it easier to follow discussions. Take full advantage of Slack's app integrations to supercharge your productivity. If you're already using tools like Google Drive or Zoom, why not bring them into Slack? And that's a wrap. Slack is an incredibly powerful tool to help teams collaborate and stay on top of their game. With its organized structure, cool integrations, and productivity boosters, it's the perfect platform to streamline your workflow. Hopefully, this guide has helped you get a good grasp on how to use Slack as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need more tips. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.